Ian here from In 30 Minutes Guides. I'm going to show you the quick way to convert a Google Sheets spreadsheet into Microsoft Excel. If this video helps, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Let's get started. This is Google Sheets on iOS for my iPhone. So the top left file up there, it says Landmark Estimate Roof. I want to convert that to Microsoft Excel. There's two easy ways to do it. The first way, tap the three dots icon that's next to the name and then select Save as Excel. It's right at the top. So it's saving a new version as Excel, and it actually opens it up. And you're able to do some limited editing and manipulation of the data in Microsoft Excel, the spreadsheet file that's saved to Google Sheets. I'm not going to get into the editing part right now because that's not the purpose of this video. Actually, I'm going to go back and I'm going to show you one other way to make the same conversion. So you can see that there's now two versions of this file. The one with the green X, that's the Excel version. And then the original Google Sheets version has kind of like a green cross on it. So I'm just going to open that up by tapping it. The other way to do the conversion, tap the three dots icon in the upper right corner, then select Share and Export, and then select Save as Excel. And it will do the same thing. It's creating another version in Excel, another copy in Excel. And then I can do some, very limited editing. But actually what I might do in a case like this, I might open it up on my desktop computer, like a Windows or a Mac or a Chromebook, and then take it from there. If this video helped you out, please take a moment to like it and follow me. Again, my name is Ian Lamont. I'm the author of Google Drive and Docs in 30 Minutes, which also covers Google Sheets. If this video helped, please take a moment to like it and follow me, and I shall see you next time.